how I'd solve this one. First of all, you can work like this if you want to. It is possible to do this. Because you could do 1 over the root of x times 1 over the root of x is 1 over x. Because root x times root x is just x. You could also do 1 over root x times root x, and that will give you root x in the top, root x in the bottom, and that will just simplify to 1. Okay, so you could do it that way, but if you find that way difficult and you prefer working with powers, then try it like this. This is the same as x to the minus a half. This here is the same as x to the half. And again, this one here is the same as x to the minus a half, and this one here is x to the half. So if you're going to multiply that out, you do x to the power of minus a half times x to the minus a half. The bases are the same, so you add the powers. So minus a half plus minus a half is going to give you minus 1. And as I said before, that's the same as 1 over x. Okay, which is 1 over root x times 1 over root x is the same as 1 over x. Now we're going to do this times this. So that's going to be x to the minus a half times x to the half. Add the powers. Minus a half plus a half is x to the 0, which is just 1. The same here. Minus x to the half times x to the minus half. You add the powers. A half plus minus a half is going to give you 0 again. So again, that's minus x to the 0. And the last bit, x to the half times x to the half. Add the powers. X to the power of 1. These in the middle here are just 1, so it's plus 1, take away 1, which is going to be 0, so they disappear, and you get left with x to the minus 1 minus x. And to differentiate that, you multiply by the power, take away 1 from the power, and here again, when you differentiate x, you just get 1, so it's going to be minus 1. And to tidy it up, you end up with minus 1 over x squared minus 1.